This is an intergalactic murder bird update. Brought to you in part by Chapstick. When you don't want to kiss your ass goodbye with lips that are dry, choose Chapstick. Now here he is, just the facts and always exact. The Earth's mainframe. Your main way to keep your Earth in frame.
Thank you, Lonnie, and good evening, folks. Tonight's lead story in our mainframe, the return of the murder birds. Yes, the murder birds have returned. Recall from previous visual documentation seen here first on EMF News, these deceptively average appearing birds were, in reality, not birds at all, but powerful and dangerous extraterrestrials hell-bent on the complete destruction of all mankind.
Bless you, mainframey.
Bless me for what?
I knew it.
Whoa.
I can tell.
That was a good one.
Whenever your translator coil overheats,
Snuck up on me.
you start to repeat yourself,
Could you hand me a Kleenex?
and then you sneeze.
You seem to notice a lot about me.
For a second, I thought, oh, he's repeating himself for dramatic effect.
My kingdom for a Kleenex.
Of all mankind. But you're a robot. You wouldn't do that.
That is correct. I would never say things like that for dramatic effect.
How funny.
Now, may I continue, please?
You're so cute.
Error 1709. Error 1709. Cute does not compute.